has witnessed some significant developments in the month of September 2021, which will increase the pace of growth in the coming future. Hi, my name is Sasha and you're watching Drone Helpline. Taking another step towards the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, the central government has approved the production-linked incentive scheme for drones and drone components. The PLI scheme allocates INR 120 crores for drones and drone components spread over 3 financial years, almost twice the combined turnover of all domestic drone manufacturers. India now has an airspace map for drones to help citizens know where they can fly their drones and what paperwork is required to fly drones in certain areas. The interactive airspace map released by MoCA is marked in green, yellow and red zone. The interactive map is made by Map My India, which is available in Digital Sky platform. Telangana government launches Medicine from the Sky project to deliver vaccines and medicines to remote areas through drones in the presence of Civil Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia and IT Minister K.T. Ramarao. This project led by Telangana IIT Department in association with the World Economic Forum, Niti Aayog and Apollo Hospitals with startups like Maruth Drones, Sky Air and Tech Eagle to name a few. Bot Lab Dynamics and Drone Federation of India organizes Drone Light Show in honor of Shri Pradeep Singh Kharola, Secretary MoCA at IIT Delhi, who retired recently. A swarm of 80 indigenously built drones took off, dazzling onlookers. DGCA granted approval to NTPC and Garuda Aviation for using drone technology in stock monitoring at 4 locations. Solapur Smart City project got approval from DGCA for using drone technology in planning and monitoring the projects. Daksh BVLOS consortium partners DUMS, Honeywell and ANRA Technologies have started BVLOS trials. Drone delivery startup Tech Eagle Innovations raised $500,000 in seed funding led by India Accelerator with participation from Winners Group, Citix Logistics and marquee angel investors. Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Udan Academy and Drone Destination together launched Karnataka's first DGCA approved drone flying training school in Bangalore. PDRL launches beta version of AeroCapture designed for end-to-end drone data analytics, from capturing images to processing and providing valuable analytics for creating business value. Drone manufacturer Jonet Technologies signs an MOU with a Ghanaian company to set up a drone pilot training and manufacturing company in Ghana. IIT Bombay gets conditional exemption from Drone Rules 2021 for research, development and testing of drones in its own premises. Now coming to some news from the defense industry. In first of its kind collaboration, the Army has ordered 100 tactical kamikaze Israeli drones used in the Azerbaijan-Armenia conflict to beef up its operational capabilities along the borders with Pakistan and China. Indian Army has awarded Bengaluru-based startup New Space Research and Technologies a $15 million contract to supply 100 Swarm drones unit under emergency procurement. Indian Air Force has placed $21.2 million order with local private company Zen Technologies for the supply of an undisclosed number of counter-drone systems. RAF Amphibious MR-20 drone begs 100 crore rupees order under emergency procurement for supply of 48 quantity cargo hexacopter drones capable of ferrying loads of up to 20 kg each. India and the US have signed a co-development project agreement for air-launched unmanned aerial vehicle under the ambit of Defence Technology and Trade Initiative. Indian Air Force is set to issue a request for proposal to 5 domestic startups for swarm drones that are capable of both punitive actions and load-carrying capabilities. Indian Navy signs contract with BEL for the indigenously developed Naval Anti-Drone System by DRDO and manufactured by BEL, which will have both hard kill and soft kill capabilities. A photographer has been arrested by Pune Rural Police for allegedly flying a drone in an area close to INS Shivaji, an Indian Navy establishment in Lonavala. So friends, with this, we come to an end to this month's Drones News Express. To get more updates, follow our Drone Helpline Facebook and LinkedIn page. Link is provided in our description box below. You can also provide us with your views, ideas and feedback. Thanks for watching. Do like our video and do not forget to share and subscribe to our Drone Helpline YouTube channel.